Here's the 2018 Scarab 255 Impulse. Nice trailer, comes with the boat. Located here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Blue hull side color with a black bottom. Boat was lift kept. Nice Scarab design along the side here. Watersports tower. Seating across the back there, some speakers. Got the boarding ladder out. Give you a shot from the back corner. Alright, stepping into the cockpit. Nice gray sea decking. White vinyl seats with blue accents. Filler cushion goes in between the seats, make those loungers. Captain and co-captain chair. Up in the bow, we have bow filler cushion, nice forward-facing loungers, speakers, cup holders everywhere, anchor locker. So again, 2018 Scarab 255 Impulse, located here in Brick. Beautiful boat, lift kept. Come check it out today. Thank you.